Former Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan's illegal incarceration has now spanned over 600 days. Pakistan's military government, under de facto ruler Asim Munir, the army chief, took Imran Khan into custody on what are widely seen as trumped-up frivolous charges on August 5, 2023. While Mr. Khan has attained bail or been exonerated in many of the over 200 cases against him, the judicial proceedings are engineered to prolong his illegal incarceration. Pakistanis across the world have slammed the military government on Imran Khan's prolonged, unjust imprisonment on various social media platforms. His sister, Alima Khan, who has become an unofficial spokesperson for the former Prime Minister, in a tweet on the 600th day said, and quote, "Fascism cannot defeat ideology." In his message this week from his jail cell, Imran Khan spoke about his imprisonment and the treatment he's endured, stating, and quote, "No matter how hard they try, I have never bowed to their fascism, and I never will." Leader of Pakistan's largest federal democratic political party and former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan, released a wide-ranging message from his jail cell through his party's lawyers. Imran Khan slammed the military government in the country for its policies of violence against peaceful protesters, the increase in terrorism, and the subjugation of the judiciary in the country through the illegal 26th Amendment. On the situation in Balochistan, Imran Khan said the regime was repeating the mistakes of 1971 when the country lost West Pakistan, now known as Bangladesh. Imran Khan said, and quote, "Pakistan's challenges can only be resolved through genuinely elected public representatives. Instead of repeating the mistakes of 1971 that divided the nation, work towards uniting it. How can an illegitimate government imposed on Balochistan possibly resolve any issues? As a Pakistani and a former Prime Minister, I am deeply concerned about the ongoing situation in Balochistan," unquote. Imran Khan said the country's foreign policy was a disaster, saying the illegal government's lack of seriousness around relations with neighboring Afghanistan is leading to the rise in terrorism, while calling for dialogue with the Afghan interim government. The former Prime Minister said the only purpose of the government was to keep him in jail. He said, and quote, "The imposed government's primary goal is to keep me in jail at all costs, as my cases have no legal standing and will be overruled whenever they're heard on merits. There is a fixed match being played under a well-orchestrated plan." Pakistani security agencies under de facto ruler General Asim Munir have intensified their crackdown on freedom of speech in the country. Security agencies in night raids have recently rounded up social media activists, journalists, human rights activists in Balochistan, and the family members of independent journalists. The military government, while refusing to acknowledge it is holding the disappeared, follows a pattern very similar to locals: early morning raids by masked men in pickup trucks used by the notorious intelligence agencies. On Thursday, the Islamabad High Court adjourned a case in which Washington-based investigative journalist Ahmed Noorani's brothers were abducted, as his mother pleaded with the High Court judges. Pro-PTI social media activists have also been held for weeks without being presented in court. Pakistan has recently been categorized as an authoritarian state by global democracy watchers.